Hey everyone, my name is Christy Seidel and I am the owner of Paparazzi Fanatics headquarters. I am joining you guys today to show you how to create a Facebook business page. A lot of you are new and some of you might not know how to get started, so the purpose of this video is really just to kind of walk you through and show you. Some people are visual learners, some people are auditory learners, some people have to do it for themselves, but we want to make sure that you are getting off on the right foot and you are getting started and doing a wonderful job from the get-go before you even get your kit in. So we are going to show you, or I'm going to show you, how to get started and create that business page. So as you probably have already read in the Day 2 file, you need to know what your business page name is going to be. So once you've selected your name of your business, then you're ready to create your business page on Facebook. So you're going to go, let's say you are on your home screen when you log in. You're going to go to Pages over on Explore. And you probably don't have one of these yet because you're just getting started. So you're going to go up to where it says Create Page, and you're going to choose that. Then from there, it's going to give you the option to choose a business or brand, or community or public figure. You want to choose a business. This is a business page. You want to let Facebook know that you are a business. So you're going to click Get Started. You're going to name your page. So going along with the redirect URL that I already showed you how to do in a previous video, I'm going to go with Paparazzi Addict Anonymous, and then add a category to describe it. I'm going to say jewelry. And then I'm going to hit continue. So now I am going to upload a profile picture. So I have some banners that I've already pre-selected, so I'm just simply going to choose that. And then a cover photo, I'm going to just do the same thing. And from there, it's going to start to load up that page. So it says set your page up for success, invite your friends. So okay, I'm gonna invite my friends, and you can do that. The more friends you invite, the better. It doesn't matter who they are. You are proud of this page. You want everybody to know that you are in business. And the more likes you get from the get-go, the better boost in the algorithm, which we'll get to later. You will have chances of getting noticed. So from here, it's just a matter of setting everything up. You can add a cover photo. You can change your username. So right here, I'm going to do Paparazzi Addict Anonymous, and create username, and it says you're all set. So alright, I'm good there. I've got my cover photo in there. I can add a button if I want. I can start posting here. I can go live from here. This is your hub. This is where you're going to start doing all of your business from. This is where you want to really get off the ground. But you have to start with just getting it created. So now that you have it created, now you can slowly but surely build it and customize it to your satisfaction and to shape it into who you are. If you have any additional questions on how to create this, then like I said, just send me a message. Dallas and Amber are also excellent resources and can help as well. We are all here to help see you be successful. Thank you and good luck.